Today, we have the first official look at the new Galaxy S24 series, including the full specifications and colors. But before we dive into that, let me know in the comments if you're eagerly waiting for the S24 series, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with the latest tech. First up, Samsung is running a Discover Samsung event where you can find great offers on their tablets, including the S7 for just $100. Check out the link in the description if you're in need of a new tablet or a Christmas present. Now back to the Galaxy S24 series. It has received several certifications ahead of its January launch, including FCC certification. This also confirmed that the S24 Ultra will use Wi-Fi 7, while the other two models will have Wi-Fi 6C. The S Pen has also passed its FCC certification, revealing Bluetooth LE connectivity. Next, we have the official wallpapers for the Galaxy S24 Ultra in all four color variants, which you can download from the link in the description. Additionally, official renders of the entire Galaxy S24 series have been revealed, providing a glimpse of their designs. Moving on to specifications, the S24 Ultra features a 6.8-inch display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, a 12-megapixel selfie camera, a quad-camera setup on the rear, up to 1 TB of storage with 12 GB of RAM, a 5,000 mAh battery with super-fast charging. However, it may still have 45 EV fast charging. For the S24 and S24 Plus, the specs are similar, with the potential difference in processor for the S24 Plus. The color options for all three models have been revealed, with the S24 Ultra coming in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium violet, and titanium yellow. While the renders appear legitimate, some spec details seem slightly off, so we'll need to wait for confirmation. Now let's delve into the full specs, design, and expected pricing for each model. The standard Galaxy S24 features a 6.1-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage, a 3,900 mAh battery, and is expected to launch from about $850 to $900. The Galaxy S24 Plus offers a 6.7-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or Exynos 2400, 12 GB of RAM, 256 or 512 GB of storage, a 4,700 mAh battery, and is expected to launch from about $1,050. Lastly, the Galaxy S24 Ultra expected to launch from $1,250. In summary, the Samsung Galaxy S24 series offers some design changes, improved performance with a new processor, and various specifications to cater to different preferences. If you're considering an upgrade or your first Galaxy S phone, these options might be worth exploring. Stay tuned for more information as we approach the launch date.